The Tema General Hospital was constructed to provide health services for workers who constructed the Tema Harbour. It was later handed over to the government for public use. According to management, the facility needs more medical equipment to improve healthcare delivery. As part of its corporate social responsibility, the SGS Ghana Limited donated items worth thousands of Ghana cedis to the Tema General Hospital. The items include wheelchair, patient trolleys, desktop computers, suction machines, among others. Receiving the items on behalf of the hospital, the medical director, Dr. Richard Anthony, said some of the medical equipment required for emergency care have broken down, impeding healthcare delivery. He expressed appreciation to the donors.
Consumables, the equipment like trolleys and all are things that we use for daily care. Some break down. When they break down, they need to be replaced. So these are things that need to be replaced often. And when they come, there's always use for it. This time we are preaching that no patient should be turned away from any facility. So we have to make sure that all the things that will make our clients comfortable in managing them are available for use.
The public relations manager of SGS, Mrs. Caroline Bruce, underscored the need for the hospital to be supported with the requisite medical tools for effective healthcare delivery. Staff of the hospital touted the importance of the medical equipment, saying it is an essential component of their operations in terms of preventing, diagnosing, monitoring and treating diseases, as well as during rehabilitation after an injury.